On the eve of Christmas, time flows differently in the monastery. In a cozy chocolate workshop hidden deep within the monastery walls, a unique rhythm prevails. The sisters, dressed in pristine white aprons, work with focused dedication. Their movements are smooth and deliberate, as if this is not merely work but a prayer woven into every piece of chocolate. The sisters craft festive chocolates, dark as a winter night, milk chocolate warm like a child's laughter, and white as pure as the first snow. Each chocolate bar tells its own story. Some are adorned with white chocolate swirls forming intricate patterns, others with ruby-red drops of dried cranberries shimmering like stars in the night sky. There are also bars embossed with images of clocks and inscribed with Happy New Year, offering hope for the future. At the other end of the table, the sisters lovingly shape candies. Each candy is a tiny joy tucked into a bright paper basket. Their gloved hands gently place the candies into boxes, as if infusing them with the warmth of their hearts. The chocolate workshop is always filled with the aroma of cocoa, vanilla, and milk, mingling with the anticipation of the holiday. This place is imbued with joyful excitement because every piece of chocolate, every candy, is made with the hope of bringing a little light and warmth to someone's home. And when the final chocolate bar finds its place in a box, the sisters pause, fold their hands in a brief prayer, and thank God for the opportunity to create small miracles. For every piece of chocolate is not just a treat, it's a fragment of Christmas warmed by their love.